welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video. This is the look I've been doing for you guys today. If you're interested in it, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so the first color I'm going to go in with is from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. To go into my Morphe 35B palette and take a deep green, this one right here, on a more pointed brush. And this is the Morphe 139. So I'm going to take the deep green and put that in my crease. From that same Morphe palette, I'm going to go in with the deep blue, the navy blue right here, and I'm going to put this in my crease as well as my outer V. So that's just to deepen up the green that we have there. I'm going to go in with my Bazanti Contour Eyeshadow 4 brush. And it's a much smaller brush. It will help us to get directly in the crease. Because we have so many colors, so much pigment on our eyes, it's better to pat the color into the crease. As a base for the glitter, same palette, I'm going to go in with this green shimmer shadow. I really like the green on this section, but this isn't what I was going for. Should I put the glitter or no? So I'm going to call my best friend to see what she thinks, if I should put glitter or not. Let's see if she answers. Oh, hi best friend. You in my video? I'm doing a video, but I don't know if I should put glitter on it or put glitter. Alright, bye. You can say hello.
Hey, oh my gosh.
I'm going to add some glitter, and I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color GLI 6. And I'm going to of course use the NYX Glitter Glue. So guys, this is what we're working with. For the lower lashes, I just did the same thing that we did to crease. I'm going to take my Colourpop super soft, cannot see, my Colourpop super sharp cheek. On top of that, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Just simply lined my lips with a brown liner and added some gloss, some clear gloss actually, and the gloss I used is the Maybelline Shine Shot as usual. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.